Hi, my name is Kayleigh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install your Catalytic Converter Security Plate in your 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra. The tools you will need for install are a 17mm wrench and a 17mm socket. Included in your hardware kit, you're going to have a set of 4 nuts and bolts with their washers, and then you have the option of also using your security bolts along with your security wrench. Now I'm going to go ahead and slide underneath my truck. I'm going to slide my plate alongside with me. I'm going to do these notches pointing towards the front. Okay, so for this next step, I'm going to find this middle hole right here. I'm going to go ahead and slide my bolt through, place my washer on top, make sure that's through, and then I'm going to take my locking nut, I'm going to put it on top. I'm going to go ahead and twist this until it stops, just like that, and then my bolt is going to go ahead and hang down. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Place my washer on top, put the locking nut on. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slide my plate on me. And then I'm going to scooch this way. And I'm going to slide my plate onto those 2 bolts right there. Just like that. Go ahead and slide these through. I'm going to hold it with this hand, then I'm going to grab my washer, slide it on top, and proceed with my bolt. You're going to twist this one on as well until it stops. And then I'm going to go ahead and slide over here and do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so now that I have all 4 of my bolts installed with my hands, I'm going to go ahead and take my wrench. I'm going to set it on top of my locking bolt, and then I'm going to take my socket and go ahead and start tightening them. You want to make sure to get these really nice and tight. And then I'm going to come over here and tighten this side. And then you're also going to do your 2 front ones, and then you will be done.